Hello students, this is Dr. S.R. Dandavte. I welcome you to the module number 15 of week 3 for the course Laser and Inimitable Source. In the present module, we are going to discuss about few applications of lasers in medical field. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand few applications of lasers in medical field. Lasers find their wonderful applications in the medical field. The applications are like bloodless surgery, kidney stone treatment, dermatology, that is for skin treatment, ophthalmology, that is for eye treatment, eye surgery, etc., dentistry, neurology, tissue repairs, angioplasty, and many more. In this module, we are going to discuss about two applications, that is laser angioplasty and dermatology. Laser angioplasty is a technique which can be used to open coronary arteries blocked by plaque. We know that due to development of plaque, arteries are blocked and that causes serious issues, severe heart attacks, etc. Plaque is basically made up of fat, cholesterol, calcium and other substances which are found in the blood. Over time, plaque hardens and narrows arteries like this. See, in this first diagram, this plaque is developed and because of that, normal blood flow is obstacled. So, in order to remove this, laser technique is used. Development of plaque limits the flow of oxygen-rich blood to the organs and other parts of the body. During angioplasty, this catheter is inserted in the artery. At the end of it, it has a laser source. So, it is advanced to the part of the artery where the blockage due to plaque is present. So, once it reaches the plaque, laser is started. It is turned on and due to that radiations, the plaque is vaporized. Thus, the removal of the plaque is possible and due to that, blockage is removed from the artery. So this is the simple technique used in laser angioplasty. This technique is highly useful because it is quite easy and it recovers the patient very early. This was about laser angioplasty. The next application is dermatology. In dermatology, lasers are used in the treatment of pigmented lesions and tattoos. For this purpose, ruby and Nd:YAG lasers are commonly used. As shown in this diagram, lasers are used for the treatment of tattoo removing or any scar is there that can also be easily removed by subjecting it to suitable laser source. The QS laser systems can selectively destroy the tattoo pigment without causing much damage to the surrounding skin. This is the outstanding feature of this laser technology. The choice of laser depends on the color, depth and chemical nature of the tattoo ink. 2 to 10 treatments are often necessary. In dermatology, lasers are highly useful for hair removal. Long pulsed ruby laser, millisecond Nd:YAG laser or laser diodes are also used for this treatment. The most interesting application is facial wrinkles, scars and sun damaged skin. As you can notice from these pictures, before the treatment and after treatment, see how wonderful change is there. Facial laser resurfacing uses high energy pulsed scanned lasers. Pulsed CO2 and erbium YAG lasers have been successful in reducing and removing facial wrinkles, scars and sun damaged skin. Keloids and hypertrophic scar as shown in this diagram. So this particular laser technique is good alternative to conventional surgery. Vaporizing lasers like CO2 and erbium YAG have been useful for this purpose. So these were few examples of lasers in dermatology. Wish you happy learning. Thank you.